What if getting funding for your business was easy and interest-free? Imagine having access to unsecured funding at 0% APR. No high interest, no hidden fees, just the capital you need to scale, invest, and build wealth. At Destination Destiny LLC, we don't just offer funding, we provide a proven system to help you grow your business and create lasting financial success. If your FICO score is 720 or above, Consultation and Funding Service, we take care of the process for you, guiding you step by step through securing 0% APR funding and ensuring approval. Online Mentorship Group. Want to master credit strategies yourself? Learn how to leverage funding, build wealth, and grow your business, all at your own pace. Not at 720 yet? No problem. Our Online Mentorship Group is designed to help you boost your credit score, understand credit strategies, and prepare for funding success. This way, when you're ready, you can secure the capital you need. What makes us different? Unlike other companies that just help you get funding, we focus on education and results. We teach you how to use credit strategically, so you're not just getting capital, you're learning how to make it work for you. We're not just a funding service. We're your partner in growth. With our proven system, personalized approach, and commitment to your success, we help you achieve your financial goals. The next step is simple. Click the link below and start unlocking the funding and knowledge you deserve.